Hello all, welcome back. In this video, we will see the different ways of running the Cypress tests. So the first process is like there are two ways we can execute the Cypress. The first one is you can run your tests by using the test runner, and the another is like using the command prompt. You can run all your tests in the command prompt itself, command line itself. So we will see first how to run our tests using the test runner. So there are two ways you can run using the test runner. So for that, first one is you have to go to the node modules folder. It seems I am out of the project, so first we have to navigate to the project. Our project is Cypress end-to-end tests, so we have to go to inside that project, and then we have to use the node modules and then slash bin folder, and then we have to type Cypress space open. So if we use this command, the Cypress test runner will open automatically. So let's see, it's waiting and it will take some time for the first time. See, the Cypress test runner got open here, and you can see whatever the test that we have created before. And if you click on any of the tests, so it will open the browser and our tests will be executed in this test runner. So let's see. Again, we have written one real test here, and that is just accessing the web page and checking the content of that web page. So this is one way of opening our test runner. So the other way I will show you, and I am closing the test runner, and you can see by default the terminal got exited and it came again, and I'm clearing the terminal. So the other way is like you can use npx cypress open. So to use the npx, your node version should be higher than 5.2. okay, if you have your node version is 5.2 and above, then you can use npx cypress open command to open your test runner. So if I use npx cypress open, it will open our test runner. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the test runner got opened, and you can see the same way. uh, you can run the same way we have executed our test before. So this is the another way of opening our test runner, and the other way is like executing our commands in the command line itself. So for that, we have to go to the node modules bin folder, and then you can use the Cypress space instead of open. Now we have to do is run. Okay, then our all the tests that we have in integration folder will be executed in command line itself. Let's see, it is loading the details. It seems, yeah, you can see it started my first test.js executing, and it found the two tests in the integration, and you can see that it is capturing the videos also, and it is trying to run the second test. So test results are passed here, and it is giving the video capturing also, it is captured the video as well, and it is giving the final output results. So it is having two tests files, and the first file is having two tests, and one is passed and one is failed, and the other one is it is having only one test, and that one is passed, and it is giving the total tests and how much time it took to execute the tests. And if you see my first test, so it is having the both test, right? One is for the true and one is for the false. So uh, that's why one test is failed and one test is passed here. So if you see, and for each test also it is giving the result, so how much time it took and whether video was captured or not, are there any screenshot captured, and you can see the other thing here. So whether here the test got failed, so the screenshot will be taken automatically. Whenever there is a failure in the test, the screenshot will automatically taken when you are running in command line. So if you see here, it is created a video files, and it created some screenshots also for us. So if you see, it got opened here, so it is displaying the screenshot if you open that one. And this is one way of executing, and the other way is like you can use the same npx cypress run command here as well to run our tests internally in command line. So this will also execute the same test, and it will execute in our command line, and in the same way it will create the screenshots and video files. So if the videos and screenshots are already present, then it will override those videos and screenshots. If you see, the moment it starts, so it's removed that screenshots and videos. So it is identified that there are two test files are present, and see, it is executing. It's taken the screenshot of failure one, and you can see that screenshot here as well. Now it is running the second test, and it executed, and it is compressing the video. Now you can see the same output that we got before when we use the node modules cypress run command. So these two are the main ways that we can run our test cases. There are many other ways also. I will show you now in my next videos. There are headed mode and headless mode. So when you want to execute your command through a command line, at that time also you can open your browser and you can see your tests. So we will see in the next videos. Thank you.